Hi, this is going to be lessons 2.3, 4, 5, 6. I think this goes up till 7. But again, like I said in the last video, if this doesn't explain how to add and subtract decimals, I can do some more videos, or just let me know in class. Alrighty. Don't forget to give me a like and a thumbs up, and actually it's the same thing. Don't forget to share and subscribe. Anyway, so here's the bar model. T equals total. We're going to be using equations with decimals here, using addition and subtraction. We'll be using what we learned in chapter 1 with lining up decimals by their place value. So if I have T, that represents the total value. And if I have a number here and a number here, what that means is I need to add these two values. Here's my equation. 5 plus 1.2 equals T. So those two equal the top. Did you notice this right here? It looks like a little road. It's my place value chart like we learned in chapter 1. So in order to figure this out, first I want to estimate. So this is 5 plus, this is about what? This is about 1. 5 plus 1 is, I would say that my estimate is 6. Okay, squiggle means about. And to actually figure it out, I need to line everything up. 5, where would 5 go? Is that in the ones place, the tenths place? Where does that go? The 5 is in the ones place. I'm going to put a 0 to hold the place value for the tenths. I'm going to place the 1.2, the 1. This is the ones place again. This is the tenths. You really need to know that chart from chapter 1 to be able to do this. Which one's which? Add the tenths first. You start at the lower. You add it up. 5 plus 1 is 6.2, or 6 and 2 tenths. So that's how you use the bar model. And let's do another example. Let's see what it would look like if it was a subtraction equation. Alright, so sometimes boxes might look different. Or they might be multi-step. Okay, let's say I have $20 in my wallet. 20 is the total that I have, so that goes there. Let's say something at the store costs, let's say something costs $5.25. Let something else cost $4.50. X. How much is this? The third, or how much, you could say how much change would I get. You could say how much money do I have left over. You could say either one of those things. So this is 2 steps. So the first step is, let's write the equation. Then we'll do an estimate. So the equation is 5.25 plus 4.50 plus x equals 20. Now this is one of those examples where I can group my numbers. So what I want to do is I want to group the two values that I know first. So 5.25, let's do an estimate. This is about $5. This is about what? $5. Remember, the 5 makes the 4 round up from chapter 1. So what's 5 plus 5? 10. So what's 20 minus 10? 10. So my estimate here is that I'm going to have about $10 or something close to that left over. Good thing we have quarters. We're always going to try to round to the nearest quarter or nearest dollar or nearest 10 whenever possible. So it's a good idea to use your to line these up the way we've been doing it. And I've got 5.25, although this one is an easier one because you're using quarters. You might already know 50 cents and a quarter gives me 75 cents, and 5 and 4 gives me 9. So I'm at 9.75. Now I can go about the jump method where I'm counting up. Okay, so how that would work is 9.75. How much till I get to $10? Only a quarter. So I've got a quarter. I'm doing this mentally. I know I have some money in front of that in the ones place. So I'm at $10. I need to get to $20. Oh, $10. 10.25. So if you didn't catch what I did there, this is how I would show my work. I would take my $20 now for step 2. I would subtract what I got here, $9.75. Now, if I did this the algorithm way, I would start over here and I would be trading. All right, so that would be a 1, 10, 9, 10, 9, right? You remember that old algorithm where you keep trading? And we'll do this with the blocks in class so you can get used to trading groups with tenths and hundredths. I like doing this with blocks. So I have 5. Let's check over here. Yep. And I have what? 9 minus 7. That's 2. Yep. And I have 9 minus 9. 0. Yep. Checking right here. And I have 1 minus 0 is 1. And there's my check. And my answer. My answer is $10.25. So again, let me know. Let me know what you need. If you need more videos, if this is helping, or if you need me to do this differently. Did this a little differently this time instead of the glass. A little easier to read, I think, isn't it? All right. See you soon. Bye.